today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple elements in Weebly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly clean up a page by removing several items in a single editing session while avoiding common mistakes that can slow you down. First, open your site editor. Head to your Weebly dashboard, choose the site you want to work on, and launch the editor so you're looking at the live page canvas. Give the page a second to load fully so all elements are interactive. If you're dealing with a long page, it can help to start at the top and work your way down so you don't miss anything. Next, click an element you want to remove. Elements are the individual blocks on your page. Things like text boxes, images, buttons, spacers, and embeds. When you hover over one, you'll see its outline or controls appear. Click once to make sure it's selected. If you're uncertain which block you've grabbed, look for the blue or gray highlight around it and any small handles or context controls that appear right on the element. Now, press Delete. Use the Delete key on your keyboard, or click the on-screen trash can if it appears in the element's controls. Some elements may ask for confirmation. If you see a prompt, confirm to remove it. Be mindful with grouped content such as columns or sections. Deleting a container can remove everything inside it. If you make a mistake, the undo control at the top of the editor can reverse your last action. Repeat these steps for the other elements you want to remove. In Weebly, elements are deleted one at a time, so a simple rhythm works best. Click an element, press Delete, and move on. For speed and accuracy, scan the page in a consistent pattern, top to bottom, then left to right, so you don't skip any items. If an element is tricky to select because it's close to another one, zoom your browser in a bit, or click just inside the element's padding area to catch the correct target. When everything looks right in the editor, click Publish. This pushes your changes from the editor to the live site, so visitors see the cleaned-up version. Remember, what you see in the editor doesn't go live until you publish, so take a quick look to confirm you didn't leave stray spacers or empty sections behind. After publishing, visit your live page in a fresh browser tab to verify that all the intended elements are gone and the layout still flows smoothly. That's all there is to it. Open the editor, select an element, delete it, repeat for the rest, and publish your changes.